But I'm interested in them also because I see them as material remnants of a conversation between scientists. And the scientists are in some senses speaking through writing, but they're also speaking to one another through the material objects. The scientists involved are Joseph Plateau and Michael Faraday. Both of them are first looking for phantom objects, and they end up discovering phantom motion. One of the things that pleases me is actually building things. I love the physicality of objects, and all of the objects you see here I've built. This idea, though, of the persistence of vision was the idea that both Plateau and Faraday had, and in the 1820s and 30s, this was kind of the reigning paradigm. And I'm going to call it the camera obscura paradigm of how we see. And the idea is that we see by little images that are imprinted on the retina. Their scientific apparatuses often get repurposed as entertainment apparatuses. It's true of the stereoscope and many others.